right. I mean, just because it's a skincare video doesn't mean we can't drink. The last video I did for skincare was with Josh.
I like that.
And that was more of the heightened version of what you can do for your skin. I wanted to do a second part of the video, which first I should say, we had so many direct messages and emails and people just reaching out saying that they loved it, that they were gonna try the products. But then on the other hand, we had a lot of emails saying, is there anything that I can do? You know, I don't have a lot of extra money. You know, I'm in college or I'm a single parent. Is there anything that you can recommend? So I was already planning on doing a part 2, but I called Heather Nicole up and I said, let's get a video together of, what do they call these kids these days? The do-it-yourself, the DIY. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a homemade toner, we're gonna do a scrub, and we're gonna do a mask. This is all stuff that you could have in your house. So it's gonna be interesting. And you'll never look at maybe your coffee grounds or avocado the same way again. I washed my face with Hydro Boost, which I do use. I usually travel with this. It's gentle on your skin. It doesn't irritate it. It's refreshing. It's good. I like it. And this is 13 bucks. Look at that. Come on now. We're good to go. Now, it's been hot here in LA. It's been in the 90s. So Josh and I were by the pool all weekend. My skin's feeling dry. I'm like, wow, I can see myself now. So I made a scrub. So I did coffee grounds, honey, olive oil, and then I added baking soda because I have oily skin. My friend Robert Dishman teases me about all the time. Every time I post a picture, he goes, still have that shiny forehead.
Your Highness, I'm sure it's not that noticeable.
All right.
That's what I made. This is what it looks like. Oh, doesn't that look so appetizing? Scrub it for a couple minutes, you know, T-zone, all that good stuff. Maybe some of you beauty YouTubers can reach out and help me out a little bit. Put some there on the forehead. If you like coffee, then you really will like this. It smells really good. When this was posted, we're gonna put all like the measurements for it, like in the down below. Down below, there'll be all the measurements that you need for each thing that we're making, for the scrub, for the toner. You know, a good scrub, especially since everyone's going organic these days, they're like above 20 bucks. This, I already had in my house. This is gonna help your skin when you're done. It's gonna help it glow. Look, I know men don't spend a lot of time on their skincare, but I was gonna say something. I was like, I'm like the gayest person in my family, okay?
Okay, bitch, you said it, not me.
So I come from a family of very masculine men. And like I said in one of my other videos, my dad wouldn't even moisturize either. He was like, what are you talking about? But I would make him stuff when I was like a teenager. I'd make him scrubs and stuff because he'd always be out in the sun. I'm like, Dad, you need to take care of your skin. And even he would try it every once in a while when he was bored, or sometimes on a Sunday when he's, you know, he'd be like, why not try it now? So this has been 2 minutes. It feels great. I mean, oh, it feels so good. Smooth. Okay, I would usually do the scrub, then the toner, then a moisturizer, and that's it. But because this is a video, let's do the mask. And the mask is, it will exfoliate and moisturize at the same time, but it is lemon juice and olive oil and like half of an avocado or half of a banana. I used avocado and it looks like guacamole. So this is gonna be very Jim Carrey in The Mask.
Alexis Michelle.
My question the whole entire time is, why is she green?
All right, I'm gonna start with the forehead. I'm nervous. Oh, okay, not so bad. Just looks like Taco Tuesday went wrong. Now, again, we're gonna post the ingredients. We're gonna tell you all this stuff does. So you'd wanna leave this on for 15 minutes, which is easy breezy because you clearly have your cocktail waiting by. Metal straw, thanks Oprah. So an olive oil is an antioxidant. Well, is that why Italians look so good forever? They're like 120 and they look 60. Olive oil contains the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, and E. and it moisturizes your skin. So if you cook with it, it's good for you. It's a healthy fat. It's good for your skin. If you try this, I want videos. Direct message me videos. I want to see you put this on your face. All right, now that it's been 15 minutes, I'm going to take this off with warm water. All right. I wonder if there's any men that will try this, because, you know, for your skin, I am a man, just in case you didn't notice. All right, now we have the toner. So this is the toner, green tea, apple cider vinegar, lemon, and honey. I mixed it all up. Again, we're gonna put everything down below. So if you're like, what? Come again? It will tell you like what it does, like why it's beneficial to your skin. So I've got my cotton, soaking it. So good toner. All right. If I was Mariah Carey, I'd have 2 hot guys fanning me so it would dry, but I just have myself and my hot husband is at home. All right, so moisturizer time again. It's 12 bucks, has SPF in it. Been using it for decades, so when anyone tries to sell me an $80 moisturizer or something, I'm like, no, this has worked forever. And another disclaimer, because I always like to address people that are negative, even though my team around me tells me not to do that, says don't give them life. But when they say, oh, all those products you're using, whatever, you've just had a bunch of Botox and plastic surgery. 1, I've never had plastic surgery. 2, I have had Botox twice, and I had it in my forehead. So never like anywhere around here or anywhere else, like that would be sagging. It's just not my bag, it's not my thing, not yet. I'm waiting. So, it's a little bit of moisturizer. Now, that's done. I feel fresh. I still have some tequila left. Again, it's after 5, don't judge me. All right, so again, this was part 2 of the skincare. Thank you, Heather, for helping us out with this, because I couldn't have remembered any of these at-home remedies that we can do for our skin, but it's important. I do think that all of us want to look good. We want to look our best, even in quarantine. Like, you still want to look in the mirror and feel like you look good. And I understand, I empathize with people that cannot, you know, afford the expensive all organic products, but this stuff does work. It still exfoliates, it still moisturizes, it still brightens up your skin. So it still does the job. As always, let me know your thoughts, good or bad. You know, we're just trying to like spread some positivity here, give you something to laugh at, give you something to watch for a few minutes, and give me your feedback. So we'll see what the next one's gonna be. Until next time, bye.